Koba Omorai omonene w'ikiumbe kia bunge la Mwananchi ase airire bagaliaye Francis Owino okwana kura chinsemo chia Naivasha chinga kichio kwero belia bosio bogotianigwa nigo OYUGI airaniria mbiamono gochia ase bali ba mochorere na KORIA EIRA YOGOIKERANIA OBOKORERI ao ase abantu bonsi anene kwegerera abasae ogotianigwa kwaye ni gokora korekana ikigocha ase korende obochori bogokorekana maigaye miaka ebere.
I want to emphasize that what lies ahead is bigger than any individual. It is about ensuring that BLM continues to be a voice of the people, rooted in accountability, justice, and inclusivity. And as we know, united we stand, divided we fall. I beg this team that we remain united as we are, because we have several things planned ahead of us, and we must do them when we are together. The trust you have bestowed upon me, I commit to serve diligently to defend the principle enshrined in our Constitution and to safeguard BLM as a